Hello friends, in this video we will see how can we display this cut and fill in one row. Right now it is being displayed in different row. Wherever there is cut is different is being separately displayed and the fill is being separately displayed. So let's see how can we display it in one row. Select the band set and then when you select it, there's the contextual option. So here is the profile view property. So click on the profile view properties. Then there will be a pop-up. On that pop-up, you go to the bands. Okay, the bands tab, and here you have all those bands which are displayed right now. So there are five bands displayed. So here you have the five bands. Okay, so now you go ahead and see. Let's check this one, cut data, and click on this particular. And now let's edit a style. So we're gonna this one is cut data. So let's create another style for this. Copy current selection and say tutorial cut and fill cut and fill data. Okay, this one is style. So now we go to the band details, and here on the compose level, the measure stations, we go to for the compose level, and on this particular one, these are the sizes and other option. We go to the contents layout, go to the layout, and here we can even change this name. Okay, here it's only cut, so we can say cut, and you can say and I'm right typing and say fill, cut and fill. Okay, and then on this particular contents, what is going to be displayed, we just click on these three dots and another pop-up. We will have another pop-up on this particular. We select the whole thing, this display, and here it's saying profile 1 and 2. Okay, profile elevation 1 minus profile elevation 2. So whatever we have here as a profile elevation 1, it will just subtract from profile elevation 1 and to display as 2. Okay, so now here see, in this here you have, whenever you select this, whatever setting you have with this content here will be visible on this part. Okay, so here you see hide negative value. Okay, so just there's nothing, we just have to display. Okay, so we have to say not the drop sign. We can say, you see there are other options, so we can say sign negative. Okay, for negative value or sign always. So even if positive or negative, we just display the sign. Okay, so that's all, we just put always display sign. Okay, and say, and we click on this particular arrow so that this one will get updated. The the settings will be updated, so just click on the arrow and now it's updated, so click OK and say apply. Okay, you can just click OK and say OK and OK, and we say apply. So here now you see this is fill data. So what it is doing is, it is, this one is our existing surface, is our profile 1. Okay, here if we go, our existing surface is profile 1. Okay, and our design surface is profile 2. Design profile is 2. So that's why it's showing like this. Okay, if we reverse it, because right now here we have to fill, so it also means like it is lesser. Okay, this much amount of ground is lesser. So what we can do here is reverse profile 1 and profile 2, then it will be changed. Okay, so for this particular cut, okay, cut data, we have to change profile 1 and profile 2. Let's put design profile as first and the surface as this 2. So, and we say apply. So now we see what we have in the symbols have changed, which means now we have to, from the ground level, we have to add that much of that much of fill. We have to fill that much. So fill, and in cut it will be minus. Okay, so, and also this display we have to change, it's only cut not cut, it's cut and fill. Okay, so we just go again and now this time we edit it and say compose level for this band details, and here we have cut only, so we can say cut. So it's cut particularly visible when you have a, so we say cut and cut slash we use and then say fill. Okay. No, okay, cut and fill and say okay. Cut and fill is available and say okay, 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 and apply. Okay, so cut fill. Now probably we no longer need this fill, but let's click OK and just verify this. Okay, let's verify. So right now we see same here fill, and at other locations it's hidden. Okay, so minus here it must be in cut. Yes, it is in cut. Okay, here. So we see here it must be minus. Okay, so we have to cut it. So it must be minus. Okay, minus. So that this is correct. So now we can remove this fill band. Okay, so just select again the band and go to the profile view properties and then select the fill band. This one is our fill band. Okay, this is fill band. So we just click on this cross icon and it will be deleted and then say apply and okay. So this is how you can display cut and fill in the same row. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, and hit like, subscribe to our channel and share this video if you with your friends if you find this useful. Thanks for watching. Have a great time.